Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza paratha. First, let's prepare the dough. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with water and a pinch of salt. Knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This step is crucial for a soft paratha. Then, cover the dough and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This resting period helps the gluten relax, making the dough easier to work with and ensuring a tender final product. Now, let's create the flavorful pizza filling. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese with 1/4 cup of your favorite pizza sauce. Feel free to add your preferred toppings, like finely diced bell peppers, onions, or even some cooked mushrooms. For that authentic pizza taste, season the mixture with 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano and a pinch of chili flakes. Mix everything well to ensure the flavors are evenly distributed throughout the filling. It's time to assemble our pizza parathas. Divide your rested dough into 6 equal portions. Take 1 portion and roll it into a small 3-inch circle. Place about 2 tablespoons of your prepared pizza filling right in the center. Carefully bring all the edges of the dough together, sealing the filling inside to form a neat ball. Then, gently flatten this ball and roll it out into a 6-inch paratha, being careful not to let the filling escape. Finally, let's cook these delicious parathas. Heat a griddle or a flat pan over medium heat. Place 1 paratha on the hot surface and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. As it cooks, brush 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee on both sides. Continue cooking until both sides are beautifully golden brown and slightly crispy. Serve your hot pizza parathas immediately with a side of marinara sauce or a cool yogurt dip for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.